Hello, have a nice day to all employers. My name is Kenneth Bansag Ayo. I am 39 years of age. I am married. I have 3 kids, age 19, 17, and 12. I work here in Hong Kong for almost 4 years. My main duty is taking care of the 2 Labrador dogs, household chores, laundry, ironing, cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, car washing of 3 cars, and I also do gardening. I plant flowers outside. I have also experience in the Philippines by taking care of 4-year-old kid, tutoring here and assist her in the school and while doing household chores for 2 years. I am a happy person. I am loyal, trustworthy, hardworking, and patient. I can work with coworker and also I can work alone. I prefer to work any job, any kind of job. It doesn't matter for me. To my future employer, I will promise to do my duties and responsibility and treat your family as well as my family and love them. See you soon and God bless.